Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while. I think my last video upload is in September, so there's probably not going to be anybody on here. I'm sorry, you guys. I have been crocheting a lot, but it hasn't really been for me. It's been for other people. But I have been I've been coming back to work on this dress for you guys. No, I couldn't forget about y'all. I should have used a different color though, because I just realized, damn, I already did another video in downtown Las Vegas where I was wearing red. I'm sorry. The next one I do, it'll be some bright ass color. But yeah, I got this yarn I actually got from the Dollar Tree. All of this yarn was used, or this dress was made using just Dollar Tree yarn and shower curtain rings. That's what you see the circles are. And of course, I'm in downtown Las Vegas, my favorite place to be. It was super hot today, but I still had to come outside and do my big one for y'all. I think this is my best dress design. This dress is super sexy, super cute. I'm going to sell some more like this because this was eating. You feel me? But yeah, y'all know I had to come back and upload for you guys. I'm going to try. Don't hold me to it, but I'm going to try to at least upload at least once a month for you guys. Because I've been working on some really cute bikinis that I want to model for you guys. I'm not sure if I can model my bikinis on here though. I might not be able to turn around. It's too much motion back there, you feel me? I might not be able to turn around for y'all. But yeah, there will be an OF version of this video. I'm gonna either upload it tonight or I'll have it uploaded tomorrow morning. And I just want to thank you to anybody that does come back and watch this video. I'm so grateful. Oh, and thank you guys so much for 47,000. I don't even have that many videos. I'm so grateful, That's why I say I always got to come back for y'all. I love you guys so much, and I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. And I guess until next time, y'all. Bye. Oh, before I go, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my video. Okay? Bye. Yeah. Hooks and loops, I'm the queen of the thread. Crochet bikini, got them losing their head. Yarn in my hand, make a masterpiece quick. They subscribe for the art, but they stay for the hips. Patterns tight, tighter than my grip on the pole. Stitching on the grind, yeah, I'm stacking the rolls. Twerk it, work it, yeah, the needles gon' click. Spin it like a spindle, make the cash flip. Twerk it while I crochet, money on replay. Loops and knots, baby, that's the foreplay. Only fans popping, they paying for the sway. Grading up the game, I'm slaying all day. Double crochet, double the stacks. Busting out the seams, baby, no slack. Great count high like the bills in my purse. Every stitch a flex, every knot a verse. Got the hood vibing, granny squares tight. Turn the craft to a hustle, keep the bag in sight. They watch me wind it up, watch the pattern grow. Twerk it on the beat, let the stitches flow. The hooks in my hands, shawty's hands on her knees. Spinning around the block, bring the haters to their knees. Fiber in the air, threads weave through the beat. Twerking while I crochet, yeah, my art's elite. Yeah. 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 Y'all niggas gon' know my name. The same bitch from back in the day. That one sexy black girl that you met at the party. The one with the thick ass frame. Got all y'all saying hey.
Y'all better stay in your lane. The girl with the twerk, 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 she model crochet.